Once again, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Welcome to KTN Prime. My name is Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Meresha Owiti. To our top story, where an autopsy report to determine the cause of death for influencer Albert Ojwang has shattered the official narrative surrounding his mysterious death inside Nairobi's Central Police Station. Lead pathologist Dr. Bernard Midia has revealed a chilling catalogue of wounds, telltale marks of torture and strangulation that flatly contradict earlier police claims of self-harm. As Gloria Milimu now reports, the pathologist says every bruise, every contusion was the unmistakable signature of a violent assault and not a self-inflicted tragedy.
When we tie up together with other injuries that are well spread in the body, including the upper limbs and the trunk, then this is unlikely to be self-inflicted injury.
Shocking revelations have now torn the veil of the gruesome events that unfolded behind the iron doors of Nairobi's Central Police Station, a place meant to uphold the law, now implicated in the brutal killing of Albert Ojwang. The chilling post-mortem results, led by a team of seasoned pathologists under Dr. Bernard Midia, read like the script of a horror film. A young life snuffed out in what appears to be a calculated, cold-blooded assault at the hands of those sworn to protect.
There were serious injuries to the head. There were also features of neck compression.
The exercise that took 4 painstaking hours thwarted what many see were attempts to conceal a gruesome murder. The injuries, according to the pathologist, ruled out self-inflicted injuries, and the sheer extent and pattern of Ojwang's wound left little doubt. This was no accident and certainly no suicide.
The pattern of the injuries, especially on the head, the bleeds, the hematoma that I found on the head, hitting against a blunt substance, a wall, would have a particular pattern, a frontal bleeds.
Tafadhali mzee wa nchi, tusaidie, nisaidie kama mwananchi anayetoa ushuru pia, naangalia haki kuwatendea wanyonge.
The Law Society of Kenya, LSK, led by its president Faith Odhiambo, alongside other human rights activists, have called for thorough investigations into the murder, calling for the arrest and prosecution of every officer found culpable.
We want to know all the places he was taken to so that we are sure that all evidence is properly collected.
How did the officer at the desk hear the sound of a head being hit on a wall meters away?
We demand immediate interdiction of all officers involved. And when we say all officers, we don't mean junior officers. Wenye wako huku chini tu.
The post-mortem findings have not only cracked open a murder mystery, they have exposed a festering rot in the very heart of the police service. And for Albert's grieving family, friends, and a shocked nation, this is no longer just a personal tragedy. It's a test of the justice system's integrity. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Now, the shock